In this segment, we'll explore the essentials of time tracking, a powerful feature that helps you accurately log your work hours. Let's start by opening the manual time tracking interface. To do this, go to the Time tab and select My Time. Productive offers 3 practical views for tracking time. The Day view is ideal for daily time tracking. It shows services you've recently logged time against, lets you pin frequently used ones, and displays services you were booked for in the Resource Planner. The Timesheet view works well if you prefer a traditional table format. This layout makes it easy to spot gaps in your tracking and fill them in right away. And the Calendar view is perfect for turning meetings and events into time entries, especially once you've connected your Google or Outlook calendar to Productive. From there, you can select an event and log it directly as track time. Let's add a manual time entry in the Day view. Start by choosing the date you worked, then select the relevant client, project, budget, and service to ensure precise tracking. Enter the hours worked using formats like 8 hours or 30 minutes. If you want to be more precise, you can specify an exact time range, such as 9 to 10:45 a.m. Don't forget to add a brief description to your time entry for better clarity in tracking. Need a reminder of your recent activities? The work log is your go-to resource. Filter through your activities in Productive, from project tasks and comments to any changes tracked, making it easy to create accurate time entries. Besides using the work log, take advantage of features like recently tracked, pinned, or scheduled services. Click directly on the suggested duration next to a service, in this example, 2 hours, and a time entry will be created automatically with that service and duration. You can then adjust the details if needed. You can track time manually or with a timer, depending on what works best for you. To start the timer, open it from the upper right corner, select the right service, and begin tracking your work. When you've finished, stop the timer, and Productive will automatically create your time entry, so your log stays complete without extra steps. Managing your time entries is easy. Edit, duplicate, or delete entries as needed. You can even assign them to specific project tasks for better organization. If your time entries require approval, you'll see a checkmark next to them. A green checkmark means the entry has been approved. If your manager requests changes, you'll be notified with a yellow banner. Click on the flagged entry to review their note. For example, they might ask you to add more details to the time entry. Update the note field, save your changes, and the entry will be sent back for approval. Once your manager reviews it again, you'll see the status updated with a check mark. After you've submitted your time entries for the day, you can quickly copy all entries from the previous day using the Duplicate from Previous Day feature. This is especially useful if you track time against multiple services each day, as it saves time and keeps your log consistent. In addition to tracking time in My Time, Productive helps you stay organized by allowing you to track time directly from the project and task you're working on. To do this, open the task, navigate to the Time tab, select the appropriate service, and record your time. The entry will automatically be added to your time tracking records in My Time. Now that you've learned the basics, you can track your time efficiently, from My Time, using the timer, or directly from your tasks. Visit our Help Center for tips on tracking time and syncing your calendar.